Hi and welcome back. In this video I will be sharing a quick look at some of the new products from Picket Studios. I am on their design team at the moment, so I got sent all of these products, but I mean the reactions and all of my thoughts about the products are my own, and they didn't ask me to create this video. I just like creating them, and yeah, I think they are a fun addition. So let's get into the video, and if you don't like this video, please skip this video, but if you're like me liking videos like this, please go ahead and watch it. So for starting off here, the June collection includes this cute girl, BF Ruby girl. She has her coffee and she's ready to go to town. It's not a very springy set, I will say. This will be great for fall and winter and sort of spring cards, I think, but really a cute set, and I think it's a nice size as well. And I want to mention that I have no coordinating dice, but I believe there is coordinating dice for her. And then we have Jen girl, and I don't know, but I'm imagining we have our amazing social media person Jen, and I was immediately thinking that this set was named after her, but I don't know, I could be totally wrong. But she is a sweetheart, and this set is also lovely like her, so that was my thought. And I think it also comes with coordinating dice. Super sweet image. And then we have a new scene building. This is called Arbor, I think. You probably can read it better than me, but it's this sort of empty space where you can put critters, persons, stuff. It's a scene that you can build inside. Yeah, so these sets are good for me that don't like creating sort of backgrounds for my scenes and stuff. So it's already done for me, and I like that. And it's quite big, so many things will fit inside it. And then we have a couple of things that will be probably hard to read, so I have a piece of copy paper here just to help you out. So this set is called Espresso Yourself, or Express Yourself, yeah. And it's all of these fun coffee themed sentiments, and it will go perfectly with the rest of this collection. So let me share this one with you in a second, but we go into this one first. So this is a super large background stamp with all of these amazing goodies of coffee themed stuff. So our finest selection. So fresh coffee, and you can see all the sentiments and the little theme. Perfect for a background. I love this. I will probably be one of my favorites from this release. I will see. Yeah, we'll come to dice in a second. But here is, I was so excited when I saw this. I love the Animal Crackers sets that Picket Fans has been coming out with. And this is just so adorable. I love this one. And baby sets are always, I think, quite hard for me to find. I don't know why, because I think this is one of the cards that I create the most and sends out the most, because I think everybody, like, it feels like everybody all the time has a baby in my life at the moment. So really cute set. I love that. And then we have our, I think this is the last stamp set for the month, and I believe all of these also have coordinating dice. I just don't have them. So this is called The Best Dirt. Yeah, The Best Dirt. Guardians know the best dirt. Yeah, I love the font on this. I think this is new. I haven't seen them in any other sets, and it's really cute. And really cute image, and she's holding small plants. Great scene building elements here. Makes it really easy for persons like me to build a scene. Like it a lot. And then we have our fantastic dice. So first off, we have this one. And you probably, if you've been looking at Picket Fence over the past 6 months, you've probably seen other sets like this that comes with a shadow piece. You have a fun sentiment here in the middle, and then there is a rainbow built inside. So this one is called Another Rainbow Die for All Seasons. And I just wanted to share the other 3 that I got on hand. So we have this one, it was released I think 2 months ago. A rainbow die for all seasons. And then we have a December rainbow die. And then we have the Jolly Good rainbow die. So there is 3 previous released, and the last I don't know if it's the last, but it's the latest one, I want to say. So really cute. And this one I think would go perfectly with some of the sentiments in this one. Super cute with a little mama and a little elephant there. Super nice. And then I don't know what it is with this particular die set, but just this long piece. Ooh, I just love it. I want to create so many texture backgrounds with this one, but it's probably meant like a cloth on a table. That is my guess, because this set is called Building Time for Tea, and you have your like cake stand here, and you have all of these cute images that would be perfect for tea time. So you can definitely build a nice scene with this, but I was just imagining this one would looking great at so much other stuff. So to continue the scene building line, we have the espresso bar table die. So you have your espresso bar table, I believe that is. And you have your espresso machine. You have some accessories like I want to say a basket, but I don't know what it's called when they are stacked like this. But you can put stuff in it, fruits and everything, and small cups, a flower arrangement, and yeah, just everything you can, I think, imagine on an espresso bar table. So very nice. And the last, and probably the thing that I was most excited about, were the shaker creators. So previously Picket fans came out with the circle one, and I personally really love them. I think you love them too. I have used them a ton and I got them, and what is great about this is that it cuts the inside part here and it stitches, and then you get a pocket that you can create sort of the frame around, so it's super easy to create shaker cards. I have a video over at Picket Fans YouTube channel if you want to see how they are used in action in so many other ways as well. I can link to that one as well up here if you like. Yeah, so they are nice, and I like that you now also have the square ones. It's fantastic. And for creating shakers, it's fun to have something inside, right? So they also came out with the embellishment sets, Lake Towel, I believe it's called that. So you will get a closer look here. I hope the camera is picking it up. Maybe not, I don't know. I will start with my pen here. It's quite dark. Love it. That is a fun one. I love my brights, but this is also nice to like mix it up with, if you know what I mean. And then we have this one, Glamorous, I think it's said right. This one, oh my god, this is so pretty. I don't know if you actually can see everything that is in here. Can you see? Like, it's garnishing, it's some like jewels. Are they called jewels? I don't know. They're just nice. Yeah, so we have that. And that was pretty much the entire release. As I said, it could be something that I'm missing, like the coordinating dice, of course. And yeah, but it was an overview of what I got from the release and what I will be playing with this month. And if you like to see what I create with all of this, go check out my Instagram account. And yeah, I will link to entire release down below, and it's an affiliate code, so it will not affect you, but it will let Picket fans know that you like clicked my link, so that is good for me. And I will, if you purchase anything, they will share the sale with me, and I will get a small commission for that. But you don't need to pay anything. I just wanted to clarify that, because it's just good for me when I'm doing these videos that you are clicking those links. It's not a must, you don't have to. You can go search on their website as well, but it just lets them know that you have been watching my content, if it makes sense. So yeah, that's about it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and until next time, have a great day. Bye guys! Hi, thank you for sticking by and watching the rest of this video. So in this part I will be creating a card to celebrate the new release, and I will be using this really large background stamp called Our Finest Selection, and I used really light gray cardstock, you will see that I will adhere it down to my MISTI and place this large background stamp on top. This just makes it really easy to get the whole impression. I used Wow's clear sticky ink here, and I prepped my surface with an anti-static bag before I press this down, and I will do it twice just so I get a really good impression here. And then I will use some clear embossing powder on top. You can see I did it 3 times just to get it really crisp and nice. My first thought was just to leave it like this and don't do any embossing at all. I think I did embossing. Now that I'm looking at this video, I'm sort of getting confused. Maybe I didn't. It's a month since I did this card. Today is actually the day that this release goes live. So I was just looking through my material, and I was like, yeah, this is a really fun one. Because all of my cards, I nearly always record the process of making them. So I know I had this on hand if I wanted to share it. And I really did want to share something because I think this is a nice new collection. So I looked through and I really like this card and how everything comes together and how easy it was. So I just wanted to mention that is why I'm a little bit, how did I create this card? I'm sorry about my rambling here. I hope you enjoyed this video anyways. Links down below will take you to the new release if you like to check it out in some peace and quiet and don't need to listen to me rambling on about life. So yeah, I'm coloring this in with Copic markers. This is my favorite mediums to use, alcohol markers in general. I think it goes super quick and I nearly always love the results. If I'm using other mediums, for example watercolors or pencils, I tend to have more problems and that it doesn't come together the way I imagined it in my head. But with alcohol markers I am nearly always happy with the results. So yeah, here I am creating a sentiment for this card, and this is from the new set called Espresso Yourself, and I heat set that with white embossing powder on top of black cardstock, and then I'm using some embellishments from Picket Fans. And by the way, all of the links to the new products will be listed down below. I will also have a general link that you can click if you like. So I hope you like this, and until next time, have a great day. Bye!